Hey everyone, and welcome to another LiamMakes video. Today we will be showing you how to make a slow falling glider. Now that may sound like a funny name, but it's the only one I could come up with. So, this is what my first model of the glider looked like. But then I was like, what would happen if I remove these flaps? And here's the other model, right here. Model 2. Now, I'm going to show you the folding instructions right after we demonstrate how this works. So, because of how this is shaped on the tip, it becomes very aerodynamic, or it makes it so that it goes forward and cuts through the air really smoothly. And this helps balance it out on the back, and I also think it creates a little bit of drag, capturing some air. And the drag is what makes this slow down. Now on this one, I removed the back flaps, which made it so that it wouldn't create as much drag, and it wouldn't get weighed down, so it went forward a lot more, by maybe 2 to 3 feet when we tested it, and that's about it. Okay, now without further ado, the folding instructions. So you're going to want 2 index cards if you want to make the first and second model. Otherwise, you just want an index card and some scissors. So you start by basically folding it like you would a paper airplane. Fold it in the middle, and then you do that on the other side as well. Just like that. And then on one side, you're actually gonna fold it twice like you're making a paper jet, except it has another part right here. And voila, that's model 1. But if you want to make the second model, you've got to take another index card, do the same right here, and then you basically just cut off the back flaps like this. Just do the same thing, like I said. And of course, you just gotta cut off the back flaps. Fold that. And fold that. Now, it may not look perfect, but it's only because no one's ever perfect. Now you just cut that off. Leave about 1 millimeter. And cut that off. And there you go, the folding instructions. Now we are going to do a flight test with these. Oh! Okay, now that we got our models, it's time to test them. First, let's test model 1. As you can see, it glides pretty smoothly. And model 2, it glided a little bit farther. And that's because it doesn't have the extra weight on the back part of it. And it doesn't have as much drag that the 2 flaps create. I would love it if you tried to do this same experiment. Right, Happity? Although I think our bunny would rather eat the experiment because he likes eating stuff. Okay, well, the reason I say that is because your results won't be the same. Because there are small differences, like the folds being different. Nothing is exactly the same, even though it may look like it. Alright, well I think that's where we're gonna end this video. I will see you in the next LiamMakes video. Bye!